The idea of customer experience isn't a new one. Businesses used to interact with customers in person, and customer experience was relatively straightforward. Great product plus informed and helpful staff equaled an excellent reputation and a strong brand. Then came the telephone, call centers, the internet, and mobile devices. Now, even if you have the right offering, delivering a consistent service across all these channels is a lot more complicated. Add in the need to communicate and distribute the complex ideas and services offered by financial institutions, and it's an even bigger challenge. So banks, insurers, and brokerages are asking, how do we enable our website, call center, and sales staff to work together to provide a consistent customer experience that delivers our brand promise? At Heath Wallace, we believe the answer is user-centered design, or UCD. Most people think that UCD means you get a nice-looking and easy-to-use website or application, and it does, but it also means much more. This is the story of how a financial firm can harness user-centered design to transform themselves from the inside out and the outside in. Let's say Better Bank is having problems handling applications for credit cards, personal loans, and mortgages. Sometimes, the front-end staff or the website don't capture everything from the customer. If back-end staff notice missing data, they chase the front-end staff, who chases the customer. And sometimes, nobody notices anything's missing until the application gets all the way to fulfillment. Who chase back-end staff, who chase front-end staff, who chase the customer. So now, Better Bank has rising costs and an irritated customer, wondering why it's taking so long to receive their credit card. And irritated customers often take their business elsewhere. So Better Bank decides to redesign the interface of their internal systems to improve things. And they hire a consultant like us that specializes in user-centered design to do it. But instead of just looking at the existing interfaces and improving them, we take it to the next level and bring UCD to the entire process. First, we step back and map out every step from end to end. Then, we focus on each person involved, from the customer to the sales, operations, and fulfillment staff. We observe firsthand how the existing system and ways of doing things help or hinder them. We look at everything, from how back-end staff review applications using calculators, post-it notes, and to-do lists, to how far an incomplete application gets before it's finally rejected. We identify the pain points that cause delays and create extra work down the line. We investigate how and why the actions of one person affect the rest of the operation. From this, we engineer a new process and optimize systems based on users' responsibilities, needs, and expectations. The application process can go from this to this. System interfaces can go from this to this. And customers and staff can go from this to this. Applying user-centered design to the way things are done can increase productivity, creating less rework, and automating repetitive tasks. Processing time can be decreased, so customers get what they need faster. Streamlined procedures and new customer communication models can empower staff to provide better service by fostering a you find it, you fix it attitude. The entire organization can become more customer-focused, which is good for the customer experience and great for the brand. All thanks to the power of user-centered design. When are you going to start transforming your organization?